Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mix and bake banana nut bread in your Ninja Foodi. You don't need any mixing bowls and you won't need any baking pans. Everything is done right in the Ninja Foodi insert. First, I started off with 4 very ripe bananas. I peeled the bananas and then I placed them inside the insert along with 1 stick of very soft unsalted butter. Next, I added in 3 tablespoons of sour cream, followed by 2 large eggs. I then used a silicone whisk to break up the bananas and mix up all the wet ingredients. Oops, I forgot the vanilla. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Once all of your wet ingredients are mixed, it's time to add in the dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now you're just going to gently mix everything together. You want to make sure that your flour is completely wet, but you also want to make sure that you don't over mix your batter. So that's why I say mix gently. And here I'm adding in half a teaspoon of cinnamon because I forgot to add that earlier. And then once the ingredients are mostly mixed, I added in about 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Once everything is mixed, scrape down the sides and smooth over the top. Alright, let's get baking. So you're going to close your Foodi and you're going to set it on bake roast. And I was totally winging it. I've never done this. So I set it to 300 degrees and I set the timer for 1 hour. So after about 20 minutes, I checked on the banana bread. It was brown on the top, but the middle was nowhere near done. So what I did was I covered it with some foil and then I closed the Foodi back up and I reduced the temperature down as low as it would go, and that was 250 degrees. So after the bread cooked for about 30 minutes, it still wasn't quite done. So I covered it up with the foil again and then I increased the heat to 300 degrees, and then you bake the bread for another 20 to 30 minutes until it is no longer soft in the middle, or you insert a toothpick in and it comes out clean. So then you remove the insert and you let the bread cool for 10 minutes. This is very important. Once it's cooled for 10 minutes, go ahead and flip it out and be careful. The insert is still hot. I actually burned myself and I dropped the banana bread. But anyways, as you can see, it came out perfectly fine, nice and clean. And so you leave it on the cooling rack to cool, and once it's done cooling, go ahead and slice it up and serve it up, and that's it. Easy peasy, very little mess to clean up. So if you like this video and you plan on giving this recipe a try, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel. And if you're here and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that button and tap that bell so you know the next time I upload. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!